Hey, Mama.
Yes.
Welcome to the family Madrigal.
I love Encanto.
I'm not part of the family Madrigal.
You keep singing. She sings way better than I do.
Because I'm part of I'm trying to write new words. We're all not part of the family Madrigal. So this right here is a Doorables Encanto Collection peek. There are no bonus figures, but let's show everybody what you can get.
It's super cute.
Yes.
9 exclusive figures. We love
Bruno.
Yes. We don't talk about Bruno, no.
Yes.
We love Encanto. We
talk
love
about
Lin-Manuel
Bruno.
Miranda. And I'm going to actually start opening because I'm excited about this
Let her
one.
start opening the doors, and I will grab the paper to show everyone.
Yes. So 9 total.
Got the whole family Madrigal, except the grandmother isn't in here. Abuela's not in here.
Ah.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Pepa's in here, Camilo, Dolores. They're all in here. No Abuela. And her parents aren't in here either. Oh, no, Julietta's in here. Her dad's not in here. So
How about Bruno?
Bruno's here.
Oh, okay. We got
Yeah.
Bruno.
So
It's a voice from afar.
that would be my dad.
Papa Crane. And actually, that wasn't too off key for him. Way to go, dear.
Sometimes I catch my dad watching Encanto when he thinks that nobody is watching.
No, I thought that was Moana.
No, he does that with Moana too.
Okay.
One day I
And
just
this is how he watches Moana.
He does that with the Minions too. Yeah, he just stares at it and just enjoys his life.
Yeah.
So let's let Mama get her doors open.
Yep.
All right, Mom, do a nice gentle yeeting.
Eating of the family. Because we've already knocked down
We've
some of this.
yeeted the family Madrigal. All right, Mom, start guessing your first one. All right, Mom, who do you think?
I'm going to guess Julieta,
Okay.
but we shall see.
No, it's Luisa.
Luisa. This is what I kept feeling on the top, and it's not showing in the picture because her
Yes.
little bun. Yes, Luisa.
And Luisa's super strong.
She is super strong.
Yes. All right,
And
Mama's going to start guessing the next
I
one.
think this one is Antonio.
Antonio.
Yes.
Okay. Are you right?
No, I'm going for big hair. Up. This one is Julieta.
This one is Julieta.
Yes,
Okay,
bigger
Mom.
hair. All right.
Take your time
Yes.
guessing the next one.
This one I'm going to guess Antonio. Let's see
Okay.
if I am correct or not. Okay, I was correct because
All right.
look at Antonio's hair.
1 out of 3. That's 33% correct at this point.
All right.
Good job, Mom. You're going to be testing my math skills for this. Oh, why is Luisa backwards? Now Luisa's forwards. Okay, Mama, start guessing the next one. All right, Mama, who's your next
I'm
one?
going to guess Peppa. Yes, I'm correct.
Yay!
Where's Peppa?
You now have 2 out of 4, aka
50%.
50%. Look at us teaching everybody their fractions and percentages. We're now an educational channel, right, Mom?
That's right. It's always good to be educated.
Yes. All right. Please hold while she figures out what she's going to guess.
Okay, on this one I'm going to guess Dolores. Let's find out. Yep.
Okay, so you now are at 60% correct.
Yes, 60%.
Good job, Mama.
Oh, my average is coming up.
Average is coming up. Okay, we have 5 here. We have 4 left. We have Mirabel, Isabella, Bruno, and Antonio that we're waiting
This
on.
one I have right here is Camillo.
Okay. We already have Camilo.
No, you have Antonio.
No, this is Camilo.
Oh, then this is Antonio. I goofed last time. There's Antonio.
Okay, so now we are at 4 out of 6 correct. Good job, Mama. So you got 2/3 of them right, so that's 66%. Yay.
Let's see, who do we
Please hold while she guesses. All right, Mama, who is
I'm
it?
guessing Isabella. Yes, she wears.
Why did you say that like she's
Isabella.
Italian?
I don't know. She's wearing lavender.
Yes, she
Blue,
is.
Dilly, silly.
And now we are at 5 out of 7. I don't feel like doing the percentage for that because the math people who are good at that stuff and actually want to do the math ain't here. Okay, do you think you know who that one is?
I believe this one is Mirabelle.
Okay, let's see if we're right.
Yes!
Yay!
And I love her glasses and her big shiny
She's
bright
so
eyes.
cute. Oh.
And last but not least,
Oh, Daddy! It's time for you to come in and sing. Please hold.
and last but certainly not least, oh my goodness, look at him. We don't talk about Bruno, no, no. We don't talk about Bruno.
It was my wedding. There was our wedding. Da 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 da. Daddy, you're silly.
Papa Crane is trying to harmonize, and
I don't think that
poor
was
dog.
harmonizing. I think that was him
It was an
pretending to
attempt.
be goofy.
It's an attempt.
Yeah.
Any case,
I don't care about harmonization.
there we go.
Do you care about Bruno?
I don't talk about Bruno.
No.
We hope that you have enjoyed this crazy video about Encanto. So,
And we hope you enjoyed hearing my dad's voice.
thank you, everyone. Come again.
Bye, friends.